name is Mati Samit, also known as the Grillfather. Today we are barbecuing for some beautiful people all the way from Israel, also known as IDF soldiers. We're part of an organization called Belev Echad. They do tremendous amount of work with the soldiers in Eretz Yisrael and here in America. So we're treating them today for a phenomenal once-in-a-lifetime experience. They will have delicious smoked food, char-grilled, vegetables, hummus platters, bread, you know it. It's going to be beautiful and it's going to be amazing.
Worth the whole day just to meet this wonderful guy here, Adil. Thank you, Adil, for being who you are, for your sacrifice. Thank you, Grillfather, for the excellent food. And thank you, everybody, for this amazing, amazing energy today.
Thank you very much about the food. It was amazing.
I love you, soldiers. I'm so high.
Just wanted to say that we feel so honored to be part of this event of Belev Echad, hosted by Barry and Rissi Farkish. They opened up their home here, and we're just inspired by these brave soldiers.
Yeah, and thank you so much also, Barry and Rissi. It's really, really an honor to be here, to be part of this event. Of course, we have to mention the delicious, delicious food by the Grillfather. Everything looks beautiful. Thank you again.
Everybody enjoy the foods, and thank you.
The Grillfather, the food was just phenomenal, next level, out of this world. By Manhattan standards, this is like the highest, higher than, So thank you so much for opening your home year after year with the pool, with the barbecue, with the soldiers. Thank you.
So I've been to this event this is my 4th year. Every single time it just gets bigger and bigger. And the Grillfather always delivers better and better. Every single time the food is just again and again. This time you say you can't beat it, every single time he beats it. There's nothing like the Grillfather.
We had this delicious, awesome food from the Grillfather. The skirt steak, the tomahawk steak, woof, mashu was awesome. The surprise steak, I never tasted something like this in my life. Very good. Thank you so much, Grillfather.
We had a great day with our Israeli soldiers. We enjoy so much, and this is really the least we can do for them. We are all sharing our heart with them, and we're thinking about their safetyness every day. It's really giving us a big, prouding day to celebrate a day with them and to make them a little bit happier, I hope. And we will see you again next year. We will be here again. Thank you again. Love you.
One of the main reasons why the food that we make is so delicious is because we use only oak lump charcoal, not the briquettes. We don't use gas grills. The reason for that is flavor. Besides the aroma, the smell, everyone walks in, you get that barbecue vibe. The flavor, the seasoning that I use to compare with the meats is unreal. This is one of my good friends, one of our heroes, one of our Israeli heroes here with us. All right, so he wants to know what this is, and here in America we call this surprise steak. אתה יודע מה זה surprise steak? זה ממש הכי טוב מה שיש בכושר, עולם כשר. Let's demonstrate. This guy wants to taste it. Here you go. I mean, come on. Look, let me show you how this cuts. You see? No pressure to apply. Just like that. And voila. It's a good knife, but really no need to do a lot of work on this. Just how we finish it off. We take all the hanging meats that you saw earlier. We put them out there on the grill to finish off the chicken, so it has so much flavor. All the smoke that it's been taken in the last 2-3 hours. Now we just give it a nice finish on the char grill, I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. I hope I gave you some tips that you can take home. If you have any questions, you can always reach out and I'll do my best to answer you. And I really hope that taking some of the advice that I gave you today, that your next barbecue that you make is a lot better. Good luck. Wow, what an event. Mixed emotions. Got to meet some survivors from October 7. And at the same time, got to put a smile on their face. Made them happy. So, feeling good. And I really hope that we won't have to come to this next time. Next time will be just for celebrations only. Wow, what an event. See you next time.